Hello, and welcome to this demonstration of using MDT's AutoSAVE for version control of OPC server configuration files. The configuration of your OPC server is a critical part of your overall OPC infrastructure, and changes to that configuration can potentially cause significant issues with communications. So today we're going to demonstrate how to use MDT AutoSAVE to keep a history of all of your OPC server configurations and restore back to a previous one if you've found issues. Previous to this demonstration, we have set up the Matron OPC server for Modbus. So we're going to go in and review that configuration and make some changes to it from Matron's configuration UI. In this particular OPC server, the two settings that are mandatory are the IP address or host name, as well as the Modbus address. So we're going to change those. Prior to this demonstration, we had installed a copy of MDT's AutoSAVE software. For information on configuring this software, as well as obtaining an on-site demo, please visit us at www.whiteroomautomation.com. In MDT AutoSAVE, we are now going to take a look at a comparison of the latest version stored in the MDT AutoSAVE database versus the version that we just edited in the OPC server configuration UI. In the overview window, we can see the files that are being historized, as well as the timestamps of their revisions. Next, we can click on Details to see what specifically changed in our configuration file. Because this configuration file happens to be raw XML, we have to scroll over to the right a ways, but we can still see the specific items that were changed in this file. Now we can go and upload this file from the folder where the OPC server stores it into the AutoSAVE database. This can also be done on a scheduled basis. We will see in this main window the revision that is a result of uploading from the Matron OPC server configuration directory into the database, as well as any other changes that we have made. After reviewing our revision history, perhaps we've found a change that has caused an issue with communications. We can very easily restore the correct version back to the OPC server configuration directory with MDT AutoSAVE. We will see another revision of this configuration file as a result of our downloading to the configuration directory from the MDT database. Now we are going to open the OPC server configuration UI to load the restored configuration file and view our changes. With this particular OPC server, we could also relaunch the OPC server service, and that would reload the configuration file as well. With some configuration utilities, we can launch the UI directly from MDT AutoSAVE. We can now see that the configuration has been reverted successfully to the version before we made our changes. Thank you for viewing this demonstration of using MDT's AutoSAVE software for version control of OPC server configuration files. For more information, please visit us online at www.whiteroomautomation.com.